Alright guys, so this is going to be my first snack honor box collection. Let's see what's in it. I had I think $16 worth of product, and that's just cost of goods standpoint. I ain't necessarily. I'll give y'all the number on that in a second. Hold on. Alright, so I had 56 total items, $16.85 cost of goods. This is what I got left. This probably went. They called me today, and but he said it only been there. It was only there for like less than a week. He said it was empty last week, but they just didn't call. Let's see what the box. Box looks still kind of heavy, y'all. But yeah, he said they called me last week though, or no, it was empty last week, so it probably went empty in a few days. So that's what I got in it. Here we go. I'll count it up. Give me a second, y'all. All right, guys. So this is what we got. I am going to try count this. I'm trying to hold this daggone camera in my hand. I don't think it's gonna work out. So y'all gonna have to give me 1 second again. All right, so let's do it this way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Count that in a minute to 5. We got 9, 10, 11. Oh fuck. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37. Plus 5, that'd be 42 bucks. So $42, guys. Like I said, I had 56 items in there. The total cost of goods was $16.85. I still got some peanuts left and a bag of chips left. So 42 bucks after only putting $16.85 worth in there. That's good, man. Everything was a buck. I basically had like I had a variety of stuff. I probably should have took a picture of what I did or what I had in there before this. But and this box was at like one of those rental places where they rent a center type thing. So not bad, man. Spent $16.85, made 42. Actually didn't even spend the whole $16.85 because once I subtract the cost of goods for these, it'd be less than that. So more like 14-15 bucks worth. All right, just wanted to let y'all up on that. I got one more box out. I only bought a total of 5 of these just to test them out. I had 2 out, and so we'll see how these 2 go, especially now in this environment. I honestly, they're closing down a lot of places, but there's a lot of places that's open that I think these boxes would be perfect for. So I'm going to see if I can take advantage of that. This is Eddie, Easy Vending Services. I'm out. Peace.